morning. I got my Dia & Co. yesterday. I haven't done Dia & Co. in like forever. They were my first subscription box because back when I first started subscription boxes, Stitch Fix didn't even do plus sizes. That's how far back it's been. So I did only one that did plus sizes was Dia & Co. And now there's a bunch of people jumped on the bandwagon. So we'll see why I stopped using them. I don't remember exactly. Or maybe it's changed, I don't know. So you get this little envelope with a little note from your stylist. Oh yeah, I already know I'm not gonna like it. One of the little note, it says, "This box is adorable. It may seem a bit dark, but I'm hoping you can mix and match things already in your wardrobe with what I send you in the future." Yeah, that's why I quit using, because everything's like browns and blacks and grays and beiges, and just, I'm more of a bright color, bright pattern kind of girl. So yeah, let's see. Total cost on this is $200. The reason I tried it again is because they sent me an email because I hadn't used them in forever and reduced my styling fee to $5. So I figured, if I don't like anything, I'm only out $5. So if I bought everything, the discount would be $50 plus the $5 styling fee off. Everything in the box would be $145, which isn't bad. Looks like I got a pair of jeggings and 4 tops. So let's see what we got. They send you a return envelope. And it's all packaged all nice in tissue paper. That's a nice bright color, but I think it's pants, and I'm pretty sure I've got pants this exact, in fact they're jeggings too. Might be the same exact ones. see what I've got, but I've got some that same color. Okay, first one is black. They're in Florida. Don't they know you don't wear black in the summer in hot climates? It's kind of cute, but pretty dark. It's Mary Sky. $25. That's not a bad price. This one's, I don't know if it's off-white or white and gray. I'm just not gung-ho about all these dark colors. I don't really like dark colors, especially in the summertime in Texas. This one is Sasha Animal Print Tee, light gray and black. It's also $25. So prices aren't bad, and I like a V-neck tee, but at least that one's a little bit lighter than the other one. And this one's solid black. Or is it? Oh, I guess there's 2 pairs of pants here. I thought there was only one. In fact, that's what they said. Wait a minute here. Oh, it's a skirt and a jegging. Okay, so it is 3 tops, and this is a skirt. Okay, we'll see. This is just a plain old black t-shirt with 3/4 sleeves, I guess. Looks kind of big. It's V-neck too. I like V-necks. Looks really hot though. East Adeline Andrea V-neck puff sleeve top, black, $32. Puff sleeve? I don't know what makes the sleeve puff. Maybe it's just bigger. I don't know. We'll have to try it on to see. And then these are that, like, the kind of, I wouldn't wear a skirt. And this is that kind of pants that like jogging shorts are made out of, that nylon-y stuff. What is this made out of? polyester and spandex. Looks really big too. I don't know. We'll see. And these, I'll have to get my ones I've got out of the closet. I think they're very similar. Curve Appeal Brenda Minimalist Jegging. Royal Blue, size 18, $68. They just look like a stretchy pair of jeans. Those are curvy. Curve Appeal. Well, let's try all this on. I'm a little disappointed, shall we say. But that's okay. If I don't like anything, I've got a We Blessings box still coming. I told them I wanted summer stuff and purple. This is like not it. Maybe read what she said more, because this is like not what I wanted at all. I hope you've been having a lovely start to your year. Looking forward to all the great things in 2021 may bring. Do you have plans for later in the year that are super exciting? Let's dig in. This box is adorable. Not so much. May seem a bit dark. Yes, it does. But I am hoping you can mix and match these with things already in your wardrobe and with what I will send you in the future. I'm loving the bright color of the Brenda jeggings to go with the Cali top or the Andrea top. On those super hot Texas days, reach for the Olita skirt and trendy Sasha tee. Be sure to check out our inaugural collection of swimwear. Yeah, I saw that they have swimsuits. They're expensive though. I kind of glanced at them and they're like well over $100. That's a little high. But I have a bunch of swimsuits. I don't really need one because I was doing water aerobics before Corona, so I have like a whole drawer full of swimsuits because, you know, they wear out quick and when you're doing water aerobics, so when I find a good deal, I'd always buy them. Alrighty, I'm going to dig out my other ones so we can compare. I think my other ones are slightly darker but very similar. And we'll try some of this on. I'm still not feeling very good, so I'm sorry I'm being a negative Nelly. I'm trying not to be that way. I mean, it's cute stuff, it's just not me stuff, you know what I mean? Well, I don't like this skirt thing at all. It's like a skirt with shorts underneath it. But I don't think it looks good on me. It's not flattering at all, and I don't like the feel of the material. T-shirt's not bad. Just a kind of a tie-dye. I accidentally turned you off. Wasn't quite done. It's okay. It's just a little dark for me. I like bright colors. Here's two more of the pieces. These blue jeggings. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a doggy right here. There's another one laying down that you can't see. And then this sort of snakeskin print shirt. I'll show you why. I like the jeggings okay, but I'll show you why I'm not going to get them. I guess I see why they call this puffy sleeve. It's kind of like right here, a little puffy. It's okay. It's just a black tee. I mean, I look okay in black. I think everybody looks okay in black. I just prefer to wear brighter colors. Like if this was on top, I'd be happier. Alrighty, so this one, I don't look good in beigey colors and off-white, and this is more of a gray off-white color. I just don't think it does me any favors. It's only $25, but it's just not me. This one I'm kind of considering. I don't really want a lot of black in my wardrobe, but it's kind of cute, especially with those blue pants. So this one's also $25, so this one's a maybe. I'll put it over there. This skirt, ugh, did not like this at all, and it's $50. No. Don't like the material, didn't like the way it looked on me, didn't like the way it was tight at the top of the legs, and then the skirt kind of brushed against above the knee, and it just felt weird on me. I mean, this stuff is all really cute. I'm not taking away from it. It's not me. This was cute enough, but it's really heavy and dark and too much for summer. And I told him I wanted summer stuff. And to me, this is fall, winter stuff. This is definitely not spring, summer stuff. This one is $32. East Adeline is the brand. And these pants, I liked them. I liked the way they fit. I thought they looked good, but I have these in my closet. Slightly different color, but not enough difference to pay $68. This is too close to what I already have. Those are jeggings too. So these are, the brand is Curve Appeal. Brenda Minimalist Jegging, Royal Blue, size 18, $68. So I like these ones I already have, so why would I buy more? And this shirt I'm thinking about keeping. Would go cute with it, like it did with the other blue one. So let me know what you think. Am I being too picky? I don't know, I have enough clothes where I can afford to be picky. Oh, excuse me. If I don't love it, I'm not getting it. Even though it's, you know, only like this one, because I already paid the $5 styling fee. It's only $5. If I would have paid $20, sorry. If I would have paid their normal $20 styling fee, it would have only been $5. Then it would have definitely been a no-brainer. But $20, that's not bad for a cute t-shirt. But this long sleeve heavy shirts, definite no. The skirt, definite no. This, didn't like this on me at all. These are all cute, all very soft. If you like darker colors, you'd probably love them. These were cute. If I didn't already have some, I probably would have got them. They fit nice, they're a nice color, but you know, no point in having two of the same thing, especially that specific of a color. You know, it's not like you got a million things you can wear with blue pants. Like this, for instance. Yeah. Nope. I have gray corduroy jeggings on with this, which doesn't really go either very well, but I still don't feel good, and I've been laying around a lot, so I wanted something comfy to lay around in. Got two doggies. One's laying in his little bed by the window, and the other one's laying over here on the rug by the door, keeping me company, I guess. I also got same day, I got a Diva bag by Sonia, so I'm going to be filming that next, so you'll see this shirt again. I don't know, We Blessings, I should have gotten it by now. I told him to skip a month, but maybe I told him to skip March. No, I think I told him to send March, skip April. But I didn't get it yet, so maybe it's the other way around. I don't remember. But I found out We Blessings is very accommodating, and I didn't know this. I thought you had to get it every month, and I said, this is just too much, too often. And they're like, tell us what you want. We'll do it every 3 months, every 6 months, every other month, whatever you want. So that was cool. So at the moment I'm doing every other month, but that still may be too much. I may push it out to like seasonally. We'll see. And I have a Luxury Diva boxes on the way. and sure what else is on the way. But anyway, we've got more stuff coming up. I'm feeling a little better today than I did the last couple days, but I still don't feel very good. I'm so tired of feeling bad. I felt bad this whole year so far. I mean, worse some days, better some days, but I just haven't felt 100% yet this whole year, and it's April, so I'm getting kind of tired of that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Should I keep this tie-dye black one? That's the only one I'm considering keeping. I think it goes good with my already blue pants that I've got. So I got 5 days to send it back. Well, I got it yesterday, so 4 more days, so I've sent it back Tuesday-ish. Today is Saturday, so let me know what you think. And Alex, Courtney from Shanice Reviews, and I don't know if anybody else joined us or not, but we're going to do a spring makeup collab. Like, I think we're going to upload on the 12th of April. So watch for that. Because I got that palette that was all those pastels, so I thought that would be a fun spring makeup thing to do, is what gave me the idea. So watch for that. And then on the 15th, we're a bunch of us, there's 12 of us, we're doing a subscriber giveaway collab where all 12 of us are going to give something away to our subscribers. The only catch is you have to be subscribed to all 12 of us to be able to enter any of our giveaways. But it gives you 12 chances to win, so watch for that. We're going to upload on the 15th. Okay, enough chit-chat. I will see you all again soon. Let me know what you think of this stuff I got. It's nice stuff. Just for one reason or another, wasn't great for me. But here, let me do this. If you liked any of it, you can take a picture of this and ask for it. Because it's nice stuff, just not Pat stuff.